What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got something exciting for y'all. This Eco Diesel is going underneath the knife. As you can see, I kind of got this prepared already. This side's jacked up so I can get underneath it. However, I may very well just take the running board off of this side. Working on a non-lifted truck is actually quite difficult. So I'll hit the door here, pop the hood. First things first, this truck is actually for sale. It's a 2014 87K Longhorn. All your options. As you can see, pedal commander. It's gonna be tuned and upgraded exhaust and EGR here when I'm done with it. Air suspension and all. Owner does not need to sell it, but he said if someone would buy it, then he's not gonna say no. If anyone's interested, send me a DM on Instagram. No tire kickers. Honest, serious inquiries only. Super clean truck and super well maintained. Spent a lot of its life in Florida, so it's very clean and, as you can see, pretty much rust free. Today we're going to be upgrading the exhaust on this truck. We took a quick trip to Mexico today to do this, and we're going to knock it out. Now here's the thing, none of these things come with instructions, so it's kind of going by eye here, and obviously you just kind of, it's like kind of like putting a puzzle together. Like, pieces only fit where pieces fit and such, and you know, obviously remove what is in the way. So that's what we're going to go with today. It's actually quite tight underneath there, so I'm gonna try my best to get some footage, but it's very tight underneath this truck. Like I said, working a non-lifted truck, I know why y'all envy me that I could sit underneath mine, because this is actually something. Okay, so this is a ton different than your Cummins truck. So as you see, you got your big muffler, you got your DPF, SCR, catalyst, all that crap. It goes up the, I believe that's your, I don't know which one is which on here. The one is literally straight off the downpipe. There's the first one, and then you got the second one here, and then you got your muffler. So all of which is gonna come off. However, all your like connections are up this way. So pretty much we're gonna wrench all these out of here. I don't know if I can zoom in for you. We're gonna wrench all these out, let them hang like I did. I already disconnected this plug, and then honestly, probably get some lube and a pry bar, and we'll pry these out. Get this out of here. Same thing with these. Zip tie all these up when you're done. Yeah, hopefully it's not like crazy hard to remove. It should be quite simple. Yeah, we're just gonna get underway. So like a full day of like cooking and grinding and freaking busting knuckles and stuff. There's a lot of stuff that, like, so this truck had this serviced at the dealer, and there's a lot of stripped bolts, incorrectly like put on things, and I'm like, these people working on your trucks at the dealer, come on, man. But anyway, I was just kind of sitting here, and then these kind of fell off the truck, so we're gonna have to fix that, replace them. This was a pain. That was a pain. This, not so bad. That, pain. Everything's in crappy locations, stupid areas, and it's just a mess. I'm pretty sure it's done on purpose. However, in the meantime, that was quite the chore to get off. Now, time to put everything back on. I'm gonna be honest, I know I did not film probably any of that process there, but it was honestly difficult. Everything's pretty straightforward. You see something that needs to be removed, just remove it. If anyone else is watching this video for information on this, it's pretty straightforward. Everything that's connected, just disconnect it. Downpipe clamp, quite in a crappy location. Yes, it does come off though. Next step is to put the upgrade in the truck here. I thought this was a straight pipe all the way back, but it turns out I think it goes up to the muffler. So I think the muffler stays, and then this, you know, kind of slides in the rest. So there we have that. We're going to attempt to get this on with one person. If not, I may have to ask for help with the downpipe, because I did last time on my truck. So we'll see. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can get that clamp on there. It's quite difficult, but we'll see what we can do. All right, guys, that actually is going to wrap up this. I wrapped it up. I did it. It took me way longer than I thought, but also way shorter than I thought compared to that truck. Now, as you can see here, we upgraded it a little bit. It's, you know, it's clean. There's instructions here. Guess I left those in there. There's two special wires here. Did some things. Take a look in here. Let me actually get a flashlight for you. So yes, it was, you know, it wasn't exactly difficult, but so this was a lot smoother and easier than the Cummins over there. But as you can see, everything's clean and tidy now, and it just makes so much more sense. And I want to show you guys something about this. As you can see also up in there, look at that. Right there, you can see that golden plug-ish thing. Gives you a tap too, I think, for either boost or exhaust gas or something. I don't know what, but definitely clean in here. Some of the things were interesting to get to tell you that. But I'm gonna show you something straight out of Area 51 there. But look at this. Like, Does that even look healthy? Look at how caked that is. That is absolutely absurd, actually. When people are like, I don't know, that's not good for your motor, one bit. If you want reliability, longevity, you know the answer. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look underneath here. I'm gonna be honest, I thought this was a muffler delete too, but it was not. I'm also gonna try and show you guys the one plate I had to get to. Oops. And if you're interested in doing this to your Eco Diesel, making it a little upgraded, this is, you can't even see it from here, but I reach my arm all the way up in there, pretty much behind these wiring harnesses, and that's the turbo up pipe. The easiest to remove from down here, as dumb as that sounds. I wish I could show you. It's easier to get from here than reaching over the top of the motor. Also, if I knew that, I would have not upgraded the exhaust first. I would have done it all at the same time, and I would have reached that so this big pipe wasn't in the way. So, tip for anybody looking to do this to theirs. Topped off the coolant, and I'm gonna be honest, doing this, I ran into a whole bunch of things that people at dealerships and service departments, I'm just like, what are you doing? Oil cap was barely on right. Some of the exhaust things were stripped out. I'm like, come on. I'm gonna start it up for you guys here. Smells delicious, actually. There's a little sound as the air ride's coming down, but that sounds great. This is actually gonna be my first ride. I've not driven it yet. I have started it to make sure it worked. I will say that what I ran into is that same thing on my truck, actually. Check engine light came on. It said I disconnected the ECM and was like, well, no crap, I did, and I thought I couldn't delete it or anything. It wouldn't go away. Just restarted the truck, it went away. But yeah, so we're gonna back up here just a little bit and take her for a spin. Holy sheesh. Oh Lord, Mo, you're gonna have a good old time in this truck, let me tell you. This changed the... My goodness. Wow, my face is dirty. So first thing I say all the time is people looking to do any performance mods to your truck. If you're getting new into diesel, I'm telling you, it is one of probably the best things to do. It changes your truck. It unleashes the true potential of this thing, which is absolutely crazy, actually. Oh my goodness, this thing's wild. Wow, I probably look crazy and like a lunatic right now. Oh, I'm enjoying this. This ain't even my truck. Anyway, hold on, I'll show you this. Pretty clean tunes, just like PPEI always is, which I do respect. I mean, the oil on the exhaust is burning, yeah. But no, seriously, pretty clean tunes, and this thing is just awesome, actually. This is a whole, honestly, from where it was when I got it dropped off and drove it the first time to what it is now, two whole different animals. Oh my goodness, that's actually ridiculously freaking... That's insane. Guys, I cannot say good enough things about this. Holy crap, I'm peeling out here. Absolutely unreal. I'm honestly speechless right now and blinded by the light. This is honestly incredible. Changed the whole dynamic of this truck. And that turbo lights, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm getting like chills right now. This is awesome. I love, if you guys aren't in the diesel platform, it is an unreal, oh my goodness. He's gonna crap himself. He's gonna be like, this is the same truck. I can tell you that right now. First of all, I got the thing on Sport Plus 4, and I also have the tune on level 5. I was gonna mess around with the pedal commander a little bit, but honestly, the Sport Plus 4 on this truck with the tune, it's pretty good. It does pretty darn good. I can tell you that. All right, guys. So obviously you saw in the last video, lift kit, did that at home. Obviously you've seen, you know, some simple engine exhaust work, stuff like that at home. This is me. I mean, obviously I'm doing it for friends, and you know, like I said, this is not me asking for payment. This is me. This is a hobby. I enjoy this. I mean, I told both of them, I was like, just buy me some chicken wings or something. Like, yeah. But it's just a project. Knocking out, getting it done yourself feels awesome. I honestly, so the guy, one of those Amazon delivery drivers, stopped while he was delivering a package, and he saw my truck, and he's sitting there talking to me forever, and he's like, so did you do all the work yourself? I'm like, yeah, it's just saving me money. He's like, what school did you go to? I'm like, none. I literally, when I was 16, I lifted my own truck because I did not want to pay someone $1,400 to put a lift kit on. I said that was ridiculous. I mean, there's instructions and it's nuts and bolts, and that's exactly what I went through. Obviously, the Silverado I just did, without me knowing all the lifts I did, there's a few things I've learned in the process. Yes, that does make it easier, but if you don't do anything, yes, I have done over 300 lift kits, but that's besides the point. If you don't try, you'll never learn, you'll never do it. But when it's done, you'll very well be, and very well feel so accomplished. It just makes your build that much more special. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video, I believe. I think it's Lime 10 if you guys want 10% off your pedal commander. I am so happy for him. I cannot wait to get it dropped off. It'll be late tonight. I'll tell you guys in the next video how he liked it, stuff like that. But we're gonna be going over the Hellcat repairs here soon. Tell you guys everything that happened, and yeah, I want to say thank you guys for watching. Take care. If you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. As you could tell, if not already, I am exhausted, but I feel so relieved and so happy because this truck is so transformed. It's just awesome. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.